Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The molecule contains a benzene ring with 3 substituents, an ethyl ester -COH group, a chloro Cl group, and a thiol group. Moving on to the next step. The ethyl ester -COH is at position 1. It is the principal characteristic group for naming as a carboxylic acid derivative. The Cl is at position 3 and the Sh is at position 4. Moving on to the next step. The question asks about naming or transforming this compound. The given answer is ethyl 4-chlorocarbonyl benzoate, which means the product has a COCl acid chloride group at position 4 and an ethyl ester -COH at position 1. And for the final step, reaction of thiol with a chlorinating agent, the Sh group at position 4, when treated with an appropriate reagent, such as SOCl2 or similar, does not directly give an acid chloride. However, reconsidering the structure, the compound shown has COH at C1 close at C3 and Sh at C4. The correct answer ethyl 4-chlorocarbonyl benzoate indicates a COCl at C4 and COH at C1, suggesting the Sh group is on a carbonyl carbon, C is equal to O, Sh, a thiocarboxylic acid, not a ring carbon directly. The Sh is actually attached to a carbonyl group, making it a thiocarboxylic acid, COS group, at C4 with Cl at C3 and COH at C1. Treatment with HCl or a chlorinating agent converts COH to COCl. Thiocarboxylic acids react to give acid chlorides. C is equal to O, Sh plus HCl, C is equal to O, Cl plus H2S. This converts the thiocarboxylic acid group at position 4 into an acid chloride, carbonyl chloride, giving ethyl 4-chlorocarbonyl benzoate. The product an ethyl ester at C1, named as ethyl benzoate base, and a chlorocarbonyl, COCl, group at C4, giving the IUPAC style name ethyl 4-chlorocarbonyl benzoate. Therefore, the correct answer is ethyl 4-chlorocarbonyl benzoate. The correct answer is shown on screen.